My name is Stuart Maggs. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Scale Robotics. The mission of Scale Robotics is to digitize construction, but at the moment what we're focusing on is taking reality and comparing it to what you intend to build, which is the BIM model or the schedule, and automating progress monitoring and quality control. The real challenge that they have is that site managers on a site today have no quick, easy way of comparing what they intend to build with what is actually being built. So we have an industry that's working on like 1–2% profit margins. And if you really want to improve those processes and improve essentially how your business is operating, you need the metrics and the data to be able to make better decisions at the right time to reduce the risk and uncertainty within your process. The way that you would capture the entire site is you would laser scan it, you would align it with the BIM model in Navisworks, and then you would literally cut sections on each of the elements to tell if it's actually in tolerance or not. And this maybe would take 1 week of manual labor. We can do that in under 24 hours. The robot is autonomously driving around the construction site. It's capturing that data as it goes. It doesn't have to stop and scan and stop and scan. It actually captures it dynamically so that we can capture more data quicker and then get that back to the users as actionable information. One of the best things about Forge, and one of the reasons that right from the beginning of the first month of the company we knew that we were going to work with it, is that it gives us that streamlined link to existing Autodesk workflows. We don't want to create new workflows, we want to link into what the industry is already doing. So Forge just gives us that direct structural link into that Autodesk world. All of the data products that are coming from like Revit, Navisworks, all of these software platforms, they're really the foundation of what we're using to analyze the construction site. And we didn't want to dedicate resources towards how we were actually going to display that information in a web-based viewer, but we knew that we wanted to integrate there. We're using large model viewer. That's really critical to what we're doing, and also model derivative. So our entire front end is based on the model derivative and the large model viewer. The big value proposition that we're kind of offering for a general contractor is in schedule. We're allowing them to see things that they would never have seen until too late, so they can get ahead of issues, keep their project on schedule and on budget. So we're saving them a huge amount of time, which is essentially money. To see the look on people's faces when they realize that this is not just magic, it's not technology for the future, that it's actually something that's offering them real world utility now, is, for me, it's one of the most gratifying points.